Once upon a time, in a quiet valley, there lived a humble farmer. He wasn't rich. He didn't own much land, and his house was simple. But he had one thing that he treasured deeply: a strong brown donkey. This donkey helped him plow his field, carry water, and travel to the market. To the farmer, the donkey was not just an animal. It was his partner, his helper, even his friend. One morning, the farmer went to the stable and discovered something shocking. The donkey was gone. The rope lay broken and the stable door was open. When the villagers heard the news, they rushed to his home. "What terrible luck!" they cried. "That donkey was your only wealth. Without it, how will you survive?" But the farmer calmly said, "Maybe it's bad, maybe it's not. Who knows what will happen next?" The villagers shook their heads. They thought he was just pretending not to feel sad. 3 days later, something surprising happened. The donkey came back on its own, and it wasn't alone. Following behind were 2 wild donkeys from the hills. Now the villagers gasped. "You're so lucky. You lost 1 and gained 3. This is amazing!" But again, the farmer simply said, "Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not. Life always reveals its meaning in time." The farmer's young son was excited. He began training the wild donkeys to work on the farm. But one day, while trying to ride one, he was thrown violently to the ground. His leg broke badly and he could not walk. The villagers came again, whispering, "Oh no, what bad luck. First you lost your donkey, then you gained more, and now your son is crippled." The farmer only replied, "Sometimes pain is the path to something greater. We cannot see the whole picture yet." The villagers thought he was strange, but they left him alone. Weeks later, the king's army entered the valley. War had begun. Soldiers demanded that every healthy young man must join the battle. Families cried as their sons were taken away. But when they came to the farmer's house, they saw the boy with a broken leg. He was left behind, safe at home. Now the villagers were silent. They looked at the farmer with wide eyes. "You were right," they said. "Your son's injury, which we thought was a curse, has actually saved his life." The farmer nodded gently and said, "Life moves like the wind. Sometimes soft, sometimes harsh. But what seems like loss can become protection. What feels like pain may carry hidden blessings. We must learn to wait, to trust, and not to judge too quickly." Moral of the story: life is bigger than one moment. A curse today may turn into a blessing tomorrow. What looks painful now may be saving you from something worse. Like the farmer, if we stay calm, patient, and trust the journey, we will see that everything happens for a reason. So, the next time life surprises you, don't give up, don't complain. Instead, take a deep breath and remember, the story isn't over yet.